hear Liz. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, Liz, I think you're maybe muted.
You're muted. You're muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah, we're all good.
Yep.
We're all good.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks everyone for coming. So we need to talk about the Zach Mary collection real quick. I am out of videos for Snacks from the Stacks. And you all volunteered to do videos for me. So thank you. I pulled some recipes though, and I'll email them to you, but I wanted to know who wanted what, okay? So I'm looking at an American cookbook from 1850. You guys ready for this? Let me pull up these recipes real quick. All right. Who is gonna take my mock turtle?
I guess I'll take that one. It sounds weird, but I'll give it a shot.
Okay. It is weird. I looked at the recipe a little bit beforehand. Have fun with that one. Princess cake. Princess cake. Anyone?
That's me.
You're gonna do
Obviously.
that? There's also Duchess cake if you want to do both and compare which one is better.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yes.
I've got pickled lobsters.
Oh, I will take that one. I love lobsters and I love pickles, so how could that go
I
wrong?
don't think it's what you think it is, but that's fine. I also found something called.
We'll find out.
I found something called college pudding.
Yeah.
And I was gonna say one of our college kids should take that. And then, okay, Megan, that leaves you. I've got hen's nest or bath pudding.
Bath pudding. I want bath pudding.
Seriously? I feel this one is so gross.
Exactly. We gotta try it out.
It's like, do you eat the pudding in a bathtub and then sit in it while you eat it?
I'm thinking of kind of like a murky water look, like rough brown, something like that.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, guys. Someone's at my door. I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves.
Megan, I'm not willing to be a tester for that recipe now that I've heard more about it.
You sure?
That
I'll
sounds-
bring it into the stacks for all of you to try.
Does the recipe come with recommended shots to take? Go do that
Maybe.
beforehand.
I hope so.
You guys seeing this?
Uh,
Okay.
Yeah, well,
okay.
Liz, I have my recipe, so I'm going to go. So see ya.
Same.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh.
See you guys.
Yoo-hoo! 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 Yoo-hoo!